He stood before the shivling. Blood was flowing from the Lord's eyes. What he did next, even the gods held their breath. This is not just a story, it is devotion in its wildest, purest form. Long ago, in the forests of ancient South India, there lived a tribal hunter named Kanappa. He had never stepped into a temple. He did not know rituals, but his heart belonged fully to Mahadev. One day, while tracking prey deep in the forest, Kanappa felt it. A strange pull in the air, a whisper through the trees. There, beneath an ancient banyan, stood a stone unlike any other. Smooth as river washed bone, shaped by wind and time, no priest had chanted here, no hands had carved it. Yet, the moment he saw it, his breath caught. This was no ordinary rock, this was the Vayulinga, Shiva's presence, wild and free. Kanappa fell to his knees, and without knowing why, he bowed. He came back the next day, and the next, and the next. He brought river water in his mouth, wild flowers and forest leaves in his hands, and the food from his hunt as his offerings. To others it looked impure, but to Shiva it was purest bhakti. Then one day, something strange happened. Kanappa saw blood dripping from the eye of the lingam, as if Lord Shiva himself was wounded. His beloved Mahadev, in pain. Kanappa's heart trembled. He could not just watch. Without thinking, without fear, he reached for his own eye and plucked it out. With trembling fingers, he placed it on the lingam exactly where the blood was flowing, and the bleeding stopped. But then, the second eye of the lingam began to bleed. Kanappa did not pause. He was ready again. But now he would be blind. How would he know where to place his other eye? So he lifted one foot and placed it on the shivling to mark the sacred spot, and with his last eye he reached for the second offering. Just then the forest filled with divine light, the earth stilled, the heavens watched, and Lord Shiva appeared. His eyes full of tears, he gently stopped Kanappa's hand and embraced him. Shiva said, "You did not just give me your eyes, you gave me your soul. You are my devotee forever." Shiva touched Kanappa's face and then a miracle happened. Kanappa's eyes were restored, but what returned was more than sight. It was vision, the kind only love can bestow. That forest boy who knew no scripture, no ritual, became Kanappa Nayanar, one of the greatest saints of Lord Shiva. He did not follow rules, he followed only love. Even today, in the temple of Sri Kalahasti, priests cover one eye while offering worship in the memory of the devotee who gave both. Mahadev doesn't ask for gold, he asks for the heart. He doesn't count mantras, he listens for love. And when devotion is true, God appears. If this story touched you, share it with someone who needs hope. Remember, God sees your love, not your offerings. Until next time, keep your faith wild and your heart open. Har Har Mahadev.